simple run and gun videos, nothing to impress, but to help you consider a property that just came on the market in Maine. This is a new listing. This is Maine real estate that happens to border Brackett Lake. See the power pole, metal roof, picture windows to take in the view. This is Brackett Lake, filled with fish, well known for the fishing in northern Maine. Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moore's, a lake place in Maine. What's your fun, happy place? Is it to be on the water? Would you like to have a vacation place to run away to on those 3-day weekends, your week-long vacation? Or are you thinking further down the road, I want to retire in Maine, full-time or even part-time? A lot of those life decisions depend on where are the grandchildren. What about elderly parents that need some extra attention? So anyway, this is a lake place in Maine on the Maine waterfront. Stay tuned. We're going to show you a shell where you can take the hammer, put on the apron and the nail gun, and finish it off the way you want to, as you can afford, putting as much of your own time into creating this happy place, fun place on the Maine waterfront. This is Randall Drive. We're coming off US Route 1. So you're not right on the main highway. You're far enough away so you don't hear it. You don't sense it. Route 1 takes you down to the coast of Maine. Want to get a lobster, some steamed clams? You're going to explore while you're up to camp in Maine. This is just a base you operate out of. Look how pretty it is with the dusting of snow that we received overnight. See the little animal tracks? You're in where wildlife lives. That's a privilege. Some folks use their lake place just part of the year. Other people are back and forth throughout the year. Would you live here full-time? Use it as a vacation place with the eye that in a few years maybe you'll be here full-time? This is the bottom of the hill. We hang a left. A little green place. This is your home away from home. Your camp with a metal roof. Real boards for sides, exterior. Up in Maine. It's just a shell, but instead of buying a lot, bringing the gravel in, clearing the trees to make the lawn, then you've got to get someone to get this constructed, to get it weather tight. The boards aren't cheap. It's got power all in place, but you can finish it off. Do you keep it just a camp the way it's set up? Make comments down below. See the big second story? This is like a cape. See your windows. Do you need an upstairs? There's 2 bedrooms downstairs. You could make it one great big bunk room, petition it off for 2 bedrooms. What would you do up at the lake camp in Maine? This is your front door. You have a side door. This is a shell. If you've never been around new construction, you could think, oh my goodness, this needs so much. I look at it that if you've ever been around a nail gun, you know how to use a crowbar, a hammer. This is ideal because you can finish it off at your own pace. You can spend money when you get materials on sale. It can be slow cooked, and when you're done, it reflects who you are. It's made the way you want it. Not buying something that you rip out all someone else's idea of what it should be to put your own in. It just makes sense. It's all weather tight. There's a metal roof. It's studded in. Now's the time to change the dimensions if you wanted to. It's about 34 by 24 is what I roughly pace off. There's real boards in the walls and up in the floor in the attic and also on the roof. Those are real boards underneath that metal. This is looking the other way. So this would be your kitchen that's like 12 by 12. Then you have a little dining area. And then you have another 12 by 12 for your living room. 2 bedrooms that are 12 by 12. If you didn't have a dining room and a separate living area, it could be just 21 feet long by 12. That's a pretty good size for a lake place up in Maine. Vinyl insulated windows. This would be bedroom number 1. See the bathroom in between the other bedroom and this one? Kayaks got thrown in here at the end of summer or fall last year. Here's the bathroom. This is the time to put in a tub. Do you want just a shower? Start watching those DIY YouTube videos on how to finish it off, how to be like Bob Vila. Everything is about that lake out front. You can keep an eye on the kids, the lawn games going on. This would be your kitchen area, dining area. Another picture window. That would be on the east side. See what the 2 bedrooms would be, the bathroom in between? See the red cap stake? That's your corner. This is your property up in Maine. Nice, slightly sloping lawn to water's edge. You're right, it would be a little chilly for a cheeseburger at the picnic table today.
Do you like to fish? How about for smallmouth bass? Salmon fishing that comes over from Deering Lake. Brackett Lake, 552 acres, 5.7 miles of lake perimeter. It's got 109 feet of frontage in front of this lake camp shell in Maine.
Make comments down below. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Morris. Thanks an awful lot for watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. Don't forget to look down below for the price, how to get hold of us, the list of local banks. And please don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel if you're not already a member. If you are, thank you. You're like old friends out in the audience. These are simple run and gun videos, nothing to impress, but to help you consider a property that just came on the market in Maine. This is a new listing. This is Maine Real Estate that happens to border Brackett Lake. We'll see you next time on the Maine Real Estate Channel, but gee, don't take off and ghost us. There's another lakefront video and another lakefront video after that coming right up at the tail end of this one. We know you only have so much time. We're going to make good use of it. Thanks a lot for watching and listening, and don't forget to subscribe.